Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you these easy crochet butterfly locks, no wrapping. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam in my Rattail comb. Okay, so I'm going to start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, just the way I'm doing right there. Because I want to do the front like an illusion of having like individual locks. And then on the back, I'm going to have like some cornrows. Okay guys, I'm going to section my hair and then add some Shine and Jam just to make sure my lines are really nice and clean or whatever. So I'm sectioning my hair into two pieces right there, and then I'll apply some Shine and Jam just to make it a little more slicker, and then twist the hair all the way down. And then when I get to the second section, I'll just separate the hair into two, okay? And then I'll take one piece, I'll take the piece that I already twisted, and then I'll just combine it with one of the hair from the second section, and then twist both of them all the way down. When I'm doing my crochet braids, I like to do my twist instead of braids, you know, like individual braids. So the reason why I like to do like the twist method is because it's easier for me to take them down. But if you guys do braids, it's okay too. It just takes a little longer taking them down. But hair days are over, sis, because let me tell you something, you can do this by yourself. You don't need to go to nobody. You don't need to go to any shop to get your hair done. Sis, 2021, I'm trying to save your money. I mean, 2021, we're trying to be good. And let me tell you, this summer, we're trying to look great. We're trying to look bomb. We're trying to look cute out in the streets, because let me tell you, the streets are open. Outside is open. So, baby, I'm telling you, we're coming all the way through. Okay. So guys, I'm just going to oil my hair. So this is a mixture of coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil. I make sure I moisturize my scalp before I do my crochet because I don't want to be itching, okay? I'm going to be using this Cali butterfly locks. This is 18 inches. It's really pretty. This is in color 1B. It comes 3 in a pack and I'm using 2 packs, guys. There are 10 of them in there, so you know I'm extra whatever. I just open it a little bit, just the way I'm doing, just unravel it a little bit. So you want to have that distress go through without like struggling. The good thing is it's already distressed, so you don't have to worry about messing it up. What I do is I'm just gonna place the crochet needle in, okay, opening the loop, and then placing the crochet butterfly lock on it, closing the loop, and then pulling it out. So I'll pull it out a little bit, and then I'll place the end of the crochet butterfly lock on the hole right there, and then I'm just gonna pull it out. When I have the twist method, it's easier for the crochet needle to come through. I'm just gonna show you again, you know, place the crochet needle in, open the loop, place the crochet on it, close the crochet needle, and pull it out, you know, place the crochet in and pull it all the way out. It is as easy as ABC. Listen, 2021, we are not stressing. We're about to be saving, okay? Anyway, while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! So I'm placing the crochet needle in, opening the loop, placing the crochet on the needle, and then pulling it out. I'm gonna take the corner of the crochet lock and then place it into the hole and then just pull it all the way out. So when you're pulling it out, just make sure you're tagging along on the bottom just to make sure it's really nice and snug, but not too tight, you know, but just snug enough for it to be nice and secure. As you guys can see, this is very easy. Anybody beginner friendly. Oh my gosh, like anybody can actually do this. And if sis, you don't know how to braid like the way I did in the back, you can actually do this this technique, the front, the way I did the front. You can do it all the way to the back, and this works as well. It's just that, you know, I'm trying to save some time because it takes me about an hour to do both the lines and the crochet install, guys. try to do my lines really nice and straight, just because sometimes I want to just part it anywhere, sis. Like anywhere you can part it in the front right there. When I tell you this is a very quick style that you can do an hour and you will be done, okay? So it's gonna take you a little longer just to section the hair and do the braids on the base. You know, with practice, you're gonna be all right. So I'm going to be using this edge boost to lay my edges and this brush, edge brush, you know, that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now, okay? And baby, when I tell you, this style came all the way through. Yes! I am loving that middle part, sis. I am loving the middle part, okay? That's why I was telling you, you gotta make sure your parts are really nice and clean. I'm gonna just throw this on the side part, and baby, this style came through as well, okay? This is cute. I'm in this dress looking extra. I'm telling you, 2021, we're about to be looking cute or whatever. Let me know if you guys are feeling this butterfly locks. Let me know if you guys are loving it. Just gonna part the hair right there in the front, taking my scrunchie to secure it, and then I'm just gonna make a little nice cute bun. So nothing serious, you know, just to go around and make this into a really nice bun. And that's about it. And take some bobby pins and secure it. You know me, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So I said, let me get these gold accessories and add them here and there and everywhere, baby. And this came all the way through. Next time, we're just gonna throw it to the side, honey. Listen, 2021 summer, we are looking cute. I mean, our hair is nice and protected. We're just going to be looking all types of extra and cute. I think we're just gonna be looking at you like this. And then the next time, we're just gonna take the hair, you know, half up, half down, and then we're just gonna leave two little peekaboos in the front right there, okay? And then take a scrunchie to secure it. Then try to make this into a really nice, cute bun on the top. I am loving this. Very easy install, very quick. This video is not even sponsored, sis. I'm just telling you the real tea, okay? The good thing about these locks, they're very soft, they're very light. I got this from my local beauty supply, but if I find them online, I'm gonna link them, sis. Okay. Voila, baby, when I tell you, okay. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 200K because we are moving. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting on my videos, sis. I'm telling you, you guys are the real MVPs. I am nothing without y'all, and I am saying thank you from the bottom of my heart. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.